What's up, guys? It's your girl, Bunmi Moore, and I've got a great money-making idea that I want you to listen to. You're probably seeing this video on YouTube, some of you on Facebook, but listen, let me tell you, if you are searching for a way to make money from home, I have a way that is can be very lucrative if you apply yourself, but it's really, really simple, and it's a novel idea, and it just makes sense. So, let me tell you what O2 Worldwide is doing. Let me explain this to you. We literally have a system where you can give away products for free and get paid. We call it our sampling system. That's literally what we do. We show people how they can give away products for free and get paid. So let me just kind of explain this to you. So one of our amazing products is called Daybreak. Now, people like instant gratification. We live in this microwave society and people want results like right now, right? Well, this little blue pill helps people with that energy problem that a lot of people have. And so within less than 30 minutes, you take this, you can feel the energy, but it's not like that bad for you energy like the Monster and Red Bull and 5-hour energy. This is good for you energy. Literally in this is not just energy enhancement, but it's brain food and superfood nutrition. So you're doing something great for your body. But listen, let me tell you about making money giving away something for free. So this is how this concept works. What happens is, as a O2 Worldwide business owner, we purchase sample credits. Now, your sample credits that you purchase or that your downline purchases, they are commissionable. So I purchase sample credits. A credit is $10. That allows me to go into my back office when someone says, yeah, I'd like to try that Daybreak. They fill out the information on the page that I promote to them, and then I go into my back office. When you go into your back office, you either hit approve or decline. You have the control whether or not you want to approve this sample to be sent out. Now, you don't have to send out the sample. The company sends out the sample. 5 days. So your person doesn't have to put in a credit card. They don't have to pay for shipping. You just hit approve, and then the company will send out a 5-day supply of this Daybreak. That's more than enough for them to be able to try the product and get the result that they are looking for. With the first one, believe me, 90% of the people get the result with the very first one. So how does the company send out this product to the prospect for free? Because I have purchased a sample credit. So now what I typically do is I purchase 5 credits at a time. This is $50. So that's part of my business expense and it's tax deductible. So I purchase the credits. I promote for people to try the product for free. The whole try it before you buy it concept, just like that chicken on a stick in the mall. They get you and they say, hey, come try our chicken, and you try it. Okay, this is good. And then what do? You buy the chicken and rice and vegetables because they let you sample it. Sampling is big. You can make so much money with sampling. You hook up with me, I'll show you guys. You can make a 6-figure income with sampling, or just some really good money, extra money every week. So as your team, as you build a team, and I'll help you to do that, as your team is purchasing credits so that they can give away product for free, all of those credits that they purchase, you make money on that. So the credits have a volume attached and it's commissionable, okay? Now what happens now is that at least 50% of the people who try the product, that's what they do. They come back and they order. So now because you've allowed them to try it first, no credit card, no shipping, they say, I want some of that. I want a full 30-day supply. They order from your website, bam, you get a customer bonus, and there's more volume in your organization from which everybody gets paid off of every single week. Guys, this sampling system is big, I'm telling you. So if you have any interest, I'm not going to even give you my site because somebody may share this video, and if they have a site, then they can post their site with this video. But sampling is a great concept. When people hear that they can, number one, try a product for free without their credit card, what do they want to do? They say, that sounds interesting. They're more apt to try it. Then when people find out that they can make money by giving away a product for free, they're like, what? I don't have to be a great salesperson. I don't have to know how to close. I can give away a product for free, literally, and get paid and grow a team and show them how to do the same thing and get paid. Absolutely, you can. So I just wanted to make this video, and I'm going to post this on YouTube as well as Facebook, because people are looking for a way to make money from home. They're up late at night searching on YouTube. I'm positioning myself to be found. You found this video, so give me a call, or whoever sent you this video, give them a call, because we're going to show you how to sample your way to six-figure success. It's real. It's awesome. Get in touch with me, and I'll show you how, and I'll work with you every step of the way. This is your girl, Bunmi Moore, signing off. You guys have an awesome day, and remember, you are more powerful than you know. Bye-bye.